Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can share your current location to your contact on Telegram application. So guys, first of all, let's just open the Telegram application on our phone. Then we can select the contact we would like to share our location to. And I'm gonna go with this contact. So I'm tapping on this contact to open the room chat. And after we have our room chat opened, we can tap on this button guys. Then we're going to select the location, this one. And we can simply tap on send my current location, but before it we have to allow Telegram to access our device location, and I'm gonna go with only this time. Okay, and to share the current location, we can click on send selected location right here. This is my current location, and after that the location will be automatically shared to the Telegram room chat. Okay, now the location has been shared to the contact that I have selected. Alright guys, and that's how we can share our current location on our Telegram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.